In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Acuity Scheduling to your Squarespace checkout. If you're running a business that requires appointments, integrating a scheduling tool like Acuity into your Squarespace site is a game changer. It streamlines the booking process for your clients, making it easier for them to schedule services directly after checkout. Let's dive into how you can set this up efficiently. First, you want to navigate to the products section of your Squarespace site. This is where all the magic begins. Find your way to your product list and select the product that you want to connect with your Acuity scheduling page. This could be any service or product that requires a follow-up appointment, like a consultation or a personal training session. Once you've opened the product page, you'll see a section for the product description. This is one of the places where you can add your Acuity scheduling link. You might be wondering why you'd put the link here. Well, by including it in the product description, you make it immediately available to customers who are viewing the product details. This can be a subtle yet effective way to prompt your customers to schedule their next steps right away. If you're looking for an alternative spot to place your scheduling link, consider using the order confirmation email settings. To do this, navigate to the Commerce section of your Squarespace dashboard, then proceed to Customer Notifications. This is where you manage the emails that are automatically sent to customers after they've made a purchase. Including your Acuity link in the order confirmation email allows your clients to schedule their appointments at their convenience, as they will have a direct link in their inbox right after checkout. This also serves as a reminder for them to book their appointment if they didn't do it right away. Here's a quick tip. When you're adding the Acuity scheduling link, make sure to customize the text surrounding the link to encourage action. For instance, if you're placing it in the product description, you might say something like, "To schedule your session, click here." Or if it's in the confirmation email, you might write, "Thank you for your purchase. Click here to book your appointment at your preferred time." This helps to draw attention to the link and encourages clients to take immediate action. Now, you might be asking yourself, why go through this trouble? Well, by integrating Acuity scheduling into your checkout process, you're enhancing the customer experience significantly. It eliminates the back and forth of scheduling via email or phone calls, saving both you and your clients precious time. This seamless experience can lead to higher customer satisfaction and potentially more repeat business. And there you have it. By including your Acuity scheduling link in the product description or the order confirmation email, you've effectively integrated scheduling into your Squarespace checkout process. Your clients will appreciate the ease of booking their appointments, and you'll enjoy the streamlined operations. Remember, the more accessible you make scheduling, the more likely you are to convert sales into actual appointments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make your Squarespace site even more efficient. If you found this guide useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!